Before we get into anything, you should know where I'm watching all this from. I used to work at OpenAI. Yeah, that OpenAI behind ChatGPT. I was on the user operations side, the team that deals with the actual humans using the product. And I got replaced by a corporate job right after, by the exact technology that company builds. Not restructured, not my role evolved, replaced by AI at that corporation, at my previous 9 to 5. So when I tell you this wave is real, I'm not repeating something I heard on a podcast. I got hit by it from inside the building. And then I crossed to the other side of it and built my AI company of my own. Over 50 businesses pay us every single month on retainer, which is why I can say this next part with love. Most of the people starting an AI agency right now, and it's everybody right now, are going to quit within 90 days. And it won't be because the business doesn't work. I'm living proof it works. It will be because they make the same handful of mistakes in the same order that I've watched over and over. Some of them I make myself. So today you get the autopsy. Every reason people fail at this. And for each one, exactly how you make sure it's not you. Honestly, this might be worth more than any how to succeed video on the internet. Let's do it. Let's go. Reason number 1, they sell AI instead of selling money. The most common killer first. People fall in love with the technology and completely forget what a business owner actually buys. And listen, I get the temptation more than anyone. I sat inside OpenAI, watching some of the smartest people on the planet build this stuff. That tech is genuinely incredible. But here's what being in that building taught me. Even there, none of it matters until it solves a normal person's problem. The model is not the product. The outcome is the product. Now picture the beginner on a call with a roofing company owner, going on about agents and automations and integrations. And the owner's eyes glaze over. You know what he heard? Nothing. He's not even paying attention to what you said. He's thinking about the 4 leads that he didn't call back to. Business owners don't buy AI. Write this on your wall. They buy booked jobs, more revenue, fewer headaches, and their Saturdays back. AI is just how you deliver it. The fix is a language transplant. Every message, every call, every line on your site, outcome first. Not, I built AI receptionist. Try, your phone gets answered every single time it rings, and missed calls stop costing you jobs. Same service, one sounds like tech, one sounds like money. Guess which one gets paid? Reason number 2, they try to serve everybody. Failure 2, ask a struggling beginner who they help. I help businesses use AI. Which businesses? All of them? Cool, so you know nothing deep about any of them. Your message is vague, and vague doesn't survive contact with a busy owner's inbox. Meanwhile, somewhere in your city, there is a person who only works with dental offices. They know what a missed new patient call is worth to the dollar. They know what the front desk looks like at 4 p.m. on a Tuesday. They sound like an insider from the first sentence. Who wins? You or them? Here's what generic actually costs you. And nobody breaks this down. Every conversation starts from scratch. Every build is custom. Every lesson you learn applies to nothing else you're doing. You're running 50 different experiments with a sample size of 1 each. Niching is not limiting yourself. It's a compounding machine. Same pitch, refined 100 times, same system, resold 50 times. Pick one lane: dental, HVAC, roofing, med spas, law, and go so deep they assume you used to work in the industry. Expand where you're winning. You can't expand from zero. Reason number 3, they quit at silence. This one isn't strategic, it's emotional, and it buries more people than all the other combined. Here's how the movie goes. They send outreach for a week, maybe 2, 30 messages, 40, mostly silence. A couple no's, 1 rude reply that they'll remember forever, and a voice starts up in their head. This doesn't work. The market's saturated. Everyone who doubted me was right. And they quit. 2 weeks in, roll credits. Now let me replay the same movie with the lights on. Outreach is a numbers game. I will die on this hill. You sent a lot of messages to get a few conversations to close 1 client. That ratio is not you failing. This is the business, functioning exactly as designed for everybody, including me, still today. The silence is not a verdict. It's just a volume requirement introducing itself. The fix is deciding in advance. Before you send message 1, you commit. Written down, out loud. to 90 days of daily outreach before you're even allowed to hold an opinion about whether this works. Not 2 weeks, 90 days, because I'm telling you, the person who sent 40 messages and quit was usually a few dozen away from their first yes. This industry's graveyard is full of people who stop digging 3 feet from gold. Reason number 4, shiny object syndrome. Failure 4, the person who restarts every Monday. New AI tool drops Thursday, they spend the weekend rebuilding their whole stack, some guru posts about a hot new niche, they switch niches. 6 weeks in, they've had 4 offers, 3 business names, 2 logos, and 0 clients. Be honest, does that sound like anybody you follow? Does it sound a little bit like you? Here's the uncomfortable truth about why this one's so seductive. Switching feels like working. You get the dopamine of progress with none of the discomfort of actually pitching a stranger. Rebuilding your offer is a hiding place with good lighting. The fix is boring and it's non-negotiable. 1 niche, 1 offer, 1 outreach channel. 90 days. The only variable you're allowed to increase is volume. Refine everything, replace nothing. The people winning in this space are not running secret strategies. They're running an obvious strategy with a level of discipline you haven't matched yet. So match it. Reason number 5, they can sell, but they cannot deliver. Now the failure nobody makes content about because it happens off camera. After you get the clients, fulfillment. Let's talk about the movie. Guy hustles, actually lands 2, 3 clients, celebrates, deserved. Then the systems he slapped together kind of work. Leads slip through. Follow-ups misfire. Client asks for numbers and gets excuses. Month 2, first cancellation. Month 3, they're all gone. And in a local niche, word travels. Word of mouth travels. He's not the AI guy for dentists anymore. He's the guy who burned Dr. Martinez. Get this into your bones. Selling gets you a client. Delivering keeps the retainer. And the retainer is the business model. Churn is not a leak in this business. Churn is drowning. This is exactly why we went and built our own infrastructure at AI Mastering Academy. Private CRM, our own AI agents, our own layer we call it Taha AI. Because duct tape consumer tools break. And when your system breaks, your client's revenue breaks. And then your reputation breaks. In that exact order. Now you don't need my infrastructure on day 1. What you need on day 1 is to take delivery as seriously as you take sales. Under promise, build it right, test it like you're trying to break it, report results every week. The boring operator with happy clients beats the flashy closer with churn every single time. Reason number 6, they price like freelancers. Failure number 6, entering a race to the bottom that nobody invited them to. They're scared, so they charge a few $100. Or worse, hourly. And now look at the math they built for themselves. One cheap client who feels entitled to unlimited access, eating 40 hours a month, while they cannot even do outreach for better clients because they're busy babysitting this one. Congratulations, you built yourself a bad job and named it a business. And here's the twist beginners never see coming. The cheap price does not even help you close. A premium local business hears a suspiciously low number and thinks one word: amateur. You triggered the exact doubt you were trying to dodge. Let's talk about the fix. Price against the problem, never against your hours. If missed calls are costing a practice thousands a month in lost patients, a real monthly retainer is not expensive. It's an obvious trade. And your entire job on the sales call is making that math visible on the table. Charge like the outcome matters, then deliver like it does. Reason number 7, they run it alone with no map. Last one, the quiet one sitting underneath all 6 others. They do the whole thing solo, from scratch, learning by wrecking. Every mistake we just walked through, the solo beginner gets to discover each month personally, at full price, in real time. Wrong niche, there goes a month. Weak offer, another month. Quit outreach to start early, restart, shiny object detour, fumble the delivery, churn the client, and there is your first year. Most people's confidence does not survive it. Not because they weren't capable, because every single lesson was bought retail. I paid that tuition. When OpenAI let me go, nobody handed me a map. I built one out of scar tissue over years. And the fix for you is simple. Don't pay retail for lessons somebody will hand you. Study people actually winning in your niche. Find a mentor or work with someone who's walked it, which, full transparency, is exactly why my program exists. AI Mastering Academy is me handing you the map, the niche, the offer, the scripts, the real systems we run for real clients, step by step. So the mistakes in this video stay ones you watch instead of ones you lived. Link is in the description if you want to skip the tuition. Here's what I actually want you to walk away with. The business works. My clients are proof. My life is proof. I watched AI take my job at the company that makes it. And the same wave that knocked me down is the one I ride now. The model doesn't fail people. People fail the model in these same 7 predictable ways. And now you can see every trap on the board before you step on one. So be the exception. Sell outcomes. Pick a lane. Outlast the silence. Stay boring. Deliver like your name depends on it, because it does. Price like a professional, and don't walk it blind. If this hit, subscribe. The full roadmap and my start from zero plan are already on the channel, and everything I post here is the real stuff. No fluff. Now, go be in the 10%. See you in the next one.